spectacular waterfront home on Deerpoint Lake. This 3-bedroom/2.5 bath beauty sits on nearly an acre and is right next to the Bayhead public boat ramp. The property includes a large fishing swimming dock as well as a boat dock, and there is a lovely deck with a built-in hot tub where you can enjoy a soak and a gorgeous view. The 2-story home boasts lots of upgrades, including a kitchen remodel that looks like it belongs on HGTV. The master suite is on the first floor and the 2 additional bedrooms and the loft office are on the second level. Enjoy panoramic views of the lake from almost every room in the home. Additional features include 2 artesian wells with potable water, a boat and/or RV parking pad, water softener system, a 2-car garage and a separate shed. This is no ordinary lakefront home. This is a one-of-a-kind property that you'll be proud to call home. All info is approximately and must be verified by buyers if important.